Farheen, please teach us how to use the menstrual cup.
Sure.
There
So with
you
the
go.
help of this 3D model,
Yes.
let's use how to insert and take out a menstrual cup. So before you insert it, please make sure कि आपने अपने हाथ धो लिए हैं और आपका कप भी स्टेरिलाइज्ड है. आपको स्क्वाट की पोजीशन पे बैठना है जैसे आप कमोड पर बैठते हैं, सो दैट आपके वजाइना के ये मसल्स रिलैक्स हो जाए. आपके कप के फोल्डिंग
हमने फोल्ड किया
पोजीशंस रहते हैं सो दैट इट कुड इजीली इंसर्ट इनटू योर वजाइना. क्योंकि आपका ये मसल बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लेक्सिबल होता है तो इट कुड इजीली गो इनटू इट. यू नीड टू इंसर्ट दिस कप एंड इट पॉप्स अप गोइंग इनसाइड. क्योंकि ये सर्विक्स यहाँ पर है सो इट वुड नॉट गेट लॉस्ट इनसाइड योर यूट्रस एट ऑल और वजाइना एट ऑल. इट वुड स्टिक देयर. मेक श्योर दैट यू आर बाइंग द राइट साइज ऑफ योर कप सो दैट इट फिट्स वेल. आपके जो ये स्टेम है मेंस्ट्रुअल कप का, ये बहुत ज़्यादा बाहर नहीं लटकना चाहिए. इट शुड एग्जैक्टली बी एट द opening of your edge of your vagina, so that it does not interact with the outer skin and gets you rashes or makes you uncomfortable while you're walking. Should be good in exact size. And once you keep a menstrual cup inside for maybe 6 to 8 hours, because you can keep it till 12 hours depending on your flow, you can take it out. And then the way to take it out is, again, when you go to the washroom, wash your hands first, go on the squat position and look out for the stem using your 2 fingers. And then once you locate it, just pull it down slightly.
Okay.
And once you reach this part, the bottom of the cup, just pinch it.
Okay.
So once you pinch it, if you could see, there are small holes on the edge of the menstrual cup. These holes release the vacuum.
Okay.
So basically it is like this. This holds the vacuum inside to keep this cup intact. Now once you pinch it, the air will get released and the vacuum will break. You can easily pull it out. Go to the wash basin. Wash it under the running water. Make sure कि कहीं भी blood
नहीं बचाओ,
लगा ना रह जाए. Wash the holes properly, the grooves properly, the stem properly and inside as well. इसको अच्छे से साफ करना है before you put it back inside your vagina.
Okay.
And that's so easy to use a menstrual cup. Once you will wash this blood off, you will get to realize the color of it, the consistency of it. If you find any clots in this blood, that simply means if you have a thicker blood flow or a darker blood color, or you have clots in your blood, that means your uterus is unhealthy and you need to see a gynae.
Yes.
So basically,
ये
the
आपको वो
cup
सब भी बताता है.
helps us to understand the health of your uterus. So it's an amazing product. It's sustainable. One cup stays for 8 to 9 years. Why not switch to a sustainable menstrual product?